Yep, busy day today, as always.
From break of dawn to sundown, every single day of the year, the Arnold Arboretum of Harvard University shares the beauty and the wonder of trees. Thousands of woody plants collected from around the world grace one of Frederick Law Olmsted's best preserved landscapes, the penultimate jewel in Boston's Emerald Necklace. For nearly 150 years, the Arboretum has preserved and shared the world's temperate flora to inspire and educate the public about plants and global biodiversity. Please make a contribution to support your Arboretum and help us to continue to open new paths of discovery to you and to the world. Donate online at www.arboretum.harvard.edu. On behalf of the plants and the people of the Arboretum, thank you for your support.